In a faraway land, tucked between the mountains and the sea, there lived a special creature named Fawkes, a brave and beautiful phoenix. Fawkes was unlike any other phoenix. He had fiery red feathers that shimmered like glowing coals, and his eyes sparkled like the stars at night. One day, Fawkes felt a strange sensation. It was time for him to embark on his great journey. This journey was not for fun, but to find a rare and precious gemstone that could heal the sick and bring happiness to all. With a heavy heart, Fawkes bid farewell to his friends and family. He took one last look at the land he loved before spreading his wings and soaring into the sky. For days, Fawkes flew over vast oceans, tall mountains, and dense forests. He met many creatures along the way, but his journey was long and difficult. As the sun began to set, Fawkes felt a strange feeling. He had finally found the place where the precious gemstone was hidden. He landed on a small, secluded island. With great caution, Fawkes ventured into the dense jungle. He could feel the energy of the gemstone growing stronger. Suddenly, he saw it. A radiant stone glowing with a warm, golden light. Fawkes carefully picked up the stone and felt a surge of warmth and happiness. He knew he had found what he was looking for. With the precious gemstone in his talons, Fawkes soared back to his home. Upon his return, Fawkes shared the gemstone with his friends and family. The sick were healed, and smiles spread across every face. Fawkes, the brave phoenix, had saved the day. From that day forward, Fawkes was hailed as a hero. But he never forgot the challenges he faced on his journey. He knew that sometimes, the hardest journeys lead to the greatest rewards. And so, Fawkes lived out his days in peace, always watching over his land and its people, ready to embark on a new adventure whenever it was needed. The end.